Ay, Aina, happy birthday to you, anak. It's another important event of your life na wala ako. For almost 6 years now that I've been away, I have been missing all your important events. I miss your high school graduation and today your 18th birthday. Anyway, I know you understand naman, di ba? I'm doing this, I'm here working para din naman sa inyo ito. Pero your next important event, nyo ni ate, which is kasal, which I'm sure na hindi pa mangyayari very soon, I make sure na nandyan ako. So Aina, I wish you all the best. Good health, good career. Pagbutihin mo lang ang pag-aaral mo dahil yan lang naman ang pangarap namin, ang gusto namin ng mami nyo na makatapos kayo ng pag-aaral. So, iwasan ang gala ha at walang lakwatsa. Happy birthday anak. At huwag niyong kakalimutan na mahal ko kayo. I love you anak. Happy birthday.